Today we're going to learn about fraction word problems. Let's say we have a problem like Mary had a box of oranges. Her family ate equal amounts of oranges each day. After 9 days, she had 7/9 oranges left. She continued eating oranges for another 31 days and found that she still had 12 pounds of oranges. How many pounds of oranges did she have at first? Now, it says in the problem that after 9 days, she had 7/9 of her oranges left. So this means that in 9 days, she ate 2/9 of her oranges because she had 7/9 of her oranges left after 9 days. So let's draw this out. She has 9 units of oranges at first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the 9 units of oranges she had at first. And we know that she ate 2/9 of her oranges in 9 days, or 2 units of her oranges in 9 days. So she ate these 2 units of oranges in 9 days. Let's keep reading. She continued eating oranges for another 31 days and found that she still had 12 pounds of oranges. So this means that the remaining 7 units are equal to the amount of oranges that can be eaten in 31 days plus the remaining 12 pounds of oranges. Let's write this out. In 9 days, she and her family consumes 2 units of oranges. So this means that in 27 days, which is 9 times 3, she consumes 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 units. It is 6 units because 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So this means that 2 times 3 is equal to 6 units. So 2 units times 3 is equal to 6 units. So we know that for the first 9 days, she ate 2 units of oranges. And we know that for the next 27 days, she ate 6 more units of oranges. So these are the amount of oranges eaten in 27 days. 27 days. So this means that the remaining oranges are for remaining. O for oranges are equal to 31 minus 27 is equal to 4 days. So the amount of oranges that can be eaten in 4 days plus the remaining 12 pounds of oranges, which is equal to, we can see in this diagram that it is equal to the remaining 1 unit of oranges. So we know that unit is equal to 4 days plus 12. So this must mean that 2 units are equal to 2 times 4 is 8 days the amount of oranges that can be eaten in 8 days, plus 12 times 2, which is equal to 24 pounds of oranges. But we also know that in 9 days, she consumes 2 units of oranges. So it is equal to 9 days. The amount of oranges eaten in 9 days. So this ends up being the amount of oranges consumed in 1 day is equal to 24, because 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 day. So the amount of oranges consumed in 1 day is equal to 24. Now, we need to find out how many pounds of oranges did she have at first. And we know that for the first 9 days, she consumed these 2 units, and for the remaining time, she had a total of oranges for 31 days plus 12 pounds. So this means that the total oranges, T for total, O for oranges, are equal to 9 plus 31, which is equal to 40 days, the amount of oranges eaten in 40 days, plus the remaining 12 pounds. Now we know that the amount of oranges eaten in 1 day is equal to 24. So this is equal to 40 times 24 is equal to 960 plus 12, which is equal to 972. So this means that at first she had 972 pounds of oranges. Today we learned about fraction word problems. Thank you for watching this video.